Today we will discuss the azeotropic mixture. What is the meaning of azeotropic mixture? An azeotrope is a liquid mixture that boils at a constant temperature and produces vapor having the same composition as the solid, as the liquid. Let me repeat again. An azeotrope is a liquid mixture that boils at a constant temperature and produces vapor having the same composition as the liquid. Therefore, an azeotrope mixture cannot be separated into its component by ordinary fractional distillation because the vapor and liquid phase composition is the same. The distillation is only useful when one component vaporizes more than the other. The more volatile component volatilizes more and its vapor comes first and the vapors are cooled down. Thereafter some time the second component boils and vapor of the second components come out and they can be cooled down. In this way they can be separated. But in the case of azeotrope, both the component have the same boiling point and they are equally volatile. They produce the same quantity of vapor in the vapor phase. That's why after cooling you can't separate these two fractions. Positive deviations. When there is a positive deviation, when there is a more vapor, when the molecular attraction of the mixture, molecular attraction in between the components of the mixture is weaker, then component easily vaporizes, quickly vaporizes. They vaporizes at temperature lower than the normal value. The vapor pressure, because of the more vaporization, becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. That's it, the boiling. And more the vapor, more the pressure, and this means minimum boiling azeotrope. For example, if you take this composition, here 0% ethanol, either 100% ethanol, 0% water, and 100% water, 0% water. If you look at this C1, C2 and C3 by mass percentage, this is the azeotropic composition where 95.6, roughly 96% ethanol and 4% water are there, and the vapor pressure composition and the liquid phase composition is same. The pure component, ethanol boiled at 78.5, water at 100 degrees centigrade, but the azeotrope boils at 78.2 degrees centigrade. What happens? Suppose we mix A and B. What happens? The molecule of component A will interact with each other. Similarly, the different molecule of B will interact with each other, and when they are mixed, there will be molecular attraction between the molecule of A and the component B, and if this new molecular interaction, that is AB, is less than AA or BB, molecules are less strongly held after mixing. Therefore, AB interaction weaker, more molecule escapes easily, vapor pressure increases, boiling occurs relatively at lower temperature. Hence, positive deviation means minimum boiling azeotrophs. Example, ethanol plus water. At the azeotropic composition, the mixture boiled at a temperature lower than either component's normal boiling point. Next, if you look at this graph, this is the minimum boiling point. कंपोनेंट ए का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ये है, कंपोनेंट बी का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ये है, और आइदर ए और बी से, ए से भी नीचे और बी से भी नीचे. दिस इज द azeotrope composition at this particular concentration. The azeotrope exists, and this, if you look at the boiling point y-axis, this is lower. Here is this one boiling point, here boiling point of A, this is the boiling point of B, and the boiling point of azeotrope is less than either A or B. This is the minimum boiling, and this is the maximum. This is the boiling temperature of component A, this is the boiling temperature of component B. The azeotrope boiling point is higher than A or B. This equals to D, and if you extrapolate this point यहाँ तक आप करेंगे तो ये आपको टेम्परेचर आ जाएगा. तो दिस टेम्परेचर इज डेफिनेटली हायर देन द बॉइलिंग टेम्परेचर ऑफ ए और बी. दैट्स व्हाई दीज आर कॉल्ड मैक्सिमम बॉइलिंग आर नेगेटिव, because molecular attraction in between the mixture, that is A and B, is much stronger. The molecules are held firmly, lesser vapors are escaping out, and you have to supply more energy in order to raise the vapor pressure of the mixture up to the level of atmospheric pressure. That's why in this case the boiling point is higher as compared to either A or B. That's why these azeotropes are called maximum boiling negative. You can compare minimum and maximum both. What I have stated, this is the same thing, and this is the negative deviation example. Nitric acid plus water or HCl plus H2O. First example was given of ethanol plus water. That was the minimum boiling point or positive deviation, and this is the second example, maximum boiling point or negative deviation. There are two examples. Number one, water plus nitric acid, and number two, water plus HCl. Thanks for patience sharing. Here is the memory. You can look out and have the detail. Please do like, share, subscribe.